Have you ever considered the magnificent cleanliness of our universe? Picture it as a bustling factory or a guest house, constantly at full capacity. Such busy places would naturally accumulate waste, debris, and foul-smelling substances, right? Yet our universe and our Earth remain remarkably clean. There's not a single unnecessary thing, no useless substance or random dirt. And if these do appear, they are promptly dispatched into a transformative process, keeping everything pristine. Consider the cosmic cleaning and the critical role of Jupiter. Think about our atmosphere's self-cleaning mechanism and how the Earth is washed by the rain. Reflect on the universal solvent, water. Ponder the recycling heroes, bacteria, and marvel at the cleaning factories within our bodies. Indeed, the universe is a testament to a magnificent cleanliness that is both awe-inspiring and humbling in its scope. A perfect system in perfect equilibrium, working round